Good afternoon, class. In today's video, what I'd like to do is to show you the basic ingredients that I start with whenever I do my omelet. So I start with some coconut oil as the base to kind of keep everything nice and smooth and able to, so that the non-stick frying pan doesn't have to work that hard. Then of course we have some parsley, sage, rosemary, and thyme. For those of you who understand that reference, bonus point in there for you on that one. Then we got some ground black pepper, some paprika, the star of my omelet, which is garlic, some turmeric for health benefits, and some cumin for taste. So those are the basic ingredients that I put into my omelet. Next part of the video will show you the other building blocks that make up the omelet.
So what protein am I going to add to the omelet? Well, first we're going to add some salmon, because not only does it have a lot of protein, but it has some vitamin D, which is very important for my health. Next, we have chicken breast, which has potassium and iron, as well as some more protein. And then, of course, sardines with vitamin D, proteins, and, of course, omega-3 fatty acids. So those are the main staples in terms of protein that I'm going to be using in the omelet. I'll need some cheese, of course, which has some calcium, as well as a little bit more protein. And so I like this sharp cheddar instead because it's a little bit better in the omelet. It also helps to, the taste is also a little bit better for this one. Now that I have my pan greased up with a bunch of coconut oil, let's add a bunch of ingredients. Some broccoli florets, very high in iron, and also overall it just sucks up all of the different spices and all of the various goodness from the omelet as well to make a very nice combination. So here we go. Last but not least, we need some cheese. 1, 2, 3, 4, and nice little piece to end it all. And from here, we turn on the heat. Just like so. And now we work on the next part of the omelet, which is the eggs. So now we have to take the eggs from here to here, like so. Now I'm going to mix this together so that you go from this to this. Now honestly, I'm not entirely sure if this what I'm doing right here is actually going to matter, but what I like to do is to make a little opening in the middle of the omelet so that when I take my eggs and pour them in, I get the eggs kind of stay in the middle, they kind of seep around the edges, they don't actually just spread out to the edges really quickly, and I kind of like that to happen so they cook a little bit more evenly. Leave a comment down below if you think that that's actually a correct technique, or if my technique, or if my thought is just completely bonkers, I guess. So after all of that, this is the final product. It'll probably cool off for a little bit longer, but that is how I make my omelet. So, study hard, and hopefully you'll give me any suggestions that you need for in the comments below about recipes that you want me to try to see the chemistry of. Study hard, and I'll see you in the next video.